Ezzy, say hi. Say hi, ejwooorld. Everybody, boing. Ebony's on the bed. She's unpacking. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's a bit of a like mess in here. I'm sweating, and we're moving. So we haven't made an announcement or anything yet. We're not gonna tell you guys where we're moving yet. You want to show them in like one of the first videos, like when we go out and do stuff, like where we're moving to.
Yeah, because I had said most times we don't know if we're actually moving there.
Ooh, so we're actually moving there. I actually just spent the last 4 days at work, started a new job, and I was away from them for 4 days, which was really, really hard to do. So packing my little bug stuff up. Ain't that right? And he has Vicks Vapor Rub. Ezzy,
And he got the top.
say what's up. Yep, and he hasn't gone into it yet. So you don't believe me, he hadn't been in it yet. Ezzy, smell. Smell good? Smell like you probably not supposed to have it. Man, yeah guys, it's not a real crazy vlog this time. But Ezzy, what are you doing? He's over here playing with his Hot Wheel track. Ezzy, say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm Ezzy. Good job. Tome cinco. Tome cinco. Yeah, guys, he's already fluent in Spanish too at, you know, a 1.5 years old. Just kidding. But we do try to teach him a few things here and there. Mainly Ebony teaching him though, because I mean she's always with him. Ebony's still over there. Patow, patow. Packing up more stuff. I'm about to run a carload full of stuff over to the storage unit, and then we're just gonna keep on plugging away. We're trying to leave tomorrow, so we don't have a ton of stuff to do. We just have a decent amount of stuff to do. So, man, and Ebony's finding change everywhere. Okay, getting richer by the minute.
Oh, shit. He got me wrong.
Uh-oh. Yep. See you guys in a minute. Lean on me. Oh, I didn't know I was recording yet. Okay, guys. Yeah, I didn't show you almost anything I did. I didn't show you anything I did. Actually, like, zero. I went to the storage unit and got a entire carload of the stuff that we were taking over there done. I did it by myself, so I had more room to do it. And I didn't film. I was just trying to get it done and make sure that we had all that stuff figured out, knocked out before we head out tomorrow. I'm taking a load of stuff over to my parents' house too with Ebony and Ezzy. We're gonna go over there, visit with them for a little bit too. So we should be doing that here shortly. I had to run by Walmart and get a couple things for them, some stuff for dinner real quick. So we're gonna go do that, cook, get him fed, and then we're gonna head over to my parents' house and take some more junk before we leave tomorrow. So we should be leaving in the afternoon. So hopefully you guys will see this here in the next, you know, 1.5 to 2 weeks. We have a few videos queued up that we're working on. We probably need to work a little bit more on them, getting them edited. So we'll do that, and then by the time I get back to the house, you guys should see the other two too. So
Okay, what's up, ejwooorld? I'm trying to get all my stuff together. So I'm talking fast because I'm just trying to get it done. We are almost done relieving our bed and couch here now, and his bed. His toys are gonna go in the storage unit. Oh my God, what in the world? Anyway, yeah. So I'm just trying to get my clothes sorted out, and see what I'm bringing and what I'm not bringing. We are bringing all of his clothes, and trying to just hurry up and get ready so we can go. We were thinking about leaving earlier. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a minute.
Ezzy. Ezreal.
Do you want these or not?
Nah, I got a pair. Dean. Say hey. Say hi. You don't want to say hello? You guys, we're trying to get ready and he's over here just moving everything he can. Heck yeah, I haven't even worn that yet. I didn't even see it. Oh, he keeps messing with his mom's chapstick. Give me it. No, don't put no chapstick on. Let me see the cap.
Give it back to Dada. Give it to Dada.
Thank you. Say hi, ejwooorld. All right, guys, we'll get back on in a second.
Okay, ejwooorld. We're in the car and we're on our way. We gotta stop and get gas first. And then you want to be back on you? Okay, I'll talk with you. And we are going to get gas first, and then we might go ahead and get something to eat. Stop and get something to eat because I haven't had anything to eat today. I don't think. And no, it's right here. I haven't eaten. And yeah, we're just on our way. Are you excited? Are you excited? Huh? See, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. We'll see you guys later. So we just stopped to get food right quick. Just a quick something. We got Taco Bell. They can see right here.
Excuse
We're getting Taco Bell. I'm gonna get a quesadilla. Just got like a burrito or something. And then Ezzy, we got him a power menu bowl without the lettuce because he don't really eat lettuce. I don't know if your toddler eats lettuce.
He loves vegetables.
Yeah, he loves vegetables, but he can't really just like chew the lettuce like that. Good.
It's nasty anyway.
Yeah, he's broccoli and spinach and Brussels sprouts and stuff like that, and peas. But I don't mind him not eating lettuce because it don't really have that many benefits. Anyway, let's make sure we got what we supposed to have.
Burrito, quesadilla, power bowl. Oh my god, they put shredded onions on it.
Shredded onion?
Or cabbage or something? I don't know.
It might be lettuce.
It's purple.
I hope it's just like cabbage. Please don't be onion. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in. It's his bed, it's his nap time. So he's watching. Who are you watching? Miss who?
It's the bee behind them.
Miss.
Pajamas.
Miss.
It's the bee behind
Yeah, Miss Rachel. He's watching Miss Rachel bedtime. So we'll talk to you guys. I don't know when next time we pick up the camera because we're just gonna be on the road. So we might stop, but we probably won't unless one of us drinks too much water. And I try not to drink too much water on road trips. So it's only about 4.5 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna set this camera up. I'm gonna open my food. Hopefully I don't run out of space because if I do, I have to get Jesse's phone and his phone is on the giving the direction. So I want to show you guys what I got for the car on Temu. And it's got like a place where you can put the wipes and cups. So I brought a cup of water in it, but I got extra water for the ride. Like I said, I'm not trying to drink too much anyway. So yeah, I'm about to get me and Ezzy's food started. Are you saying quack, quack, quack? What animal says quack, quack, quack? What animal says that? Can you hear? Get back on later in a minute. I'm trying to make sure I don't run out of space. And I'm not really doing nothing right now anyway besides about to eat. So, see you later.